So hey, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to rename and organize your spreadsheets in Excel sheet so that you improve on clarity and productivity. So without wasting time, let us start. So here I have some sample data that I'm going to use. For example, you have your sales that you've made on your first quarter, then you have the sales that you've made on your second quarter, then the summary of what you the total sales amount. So I want to rename this as spreadsheets. What I will do, I'll just go to spreadsheet 1, right click, then you look for this section that says rename, then you can rename it as sales 1, sales Q1, like that. Then the second one, you follow the same process. It will be sales Q2, sales Q2 or quarter 2. Then this will be the summary, like that. Now, perfect. You have renamed your spreadsheets in Excel. And if you also want to reorganize your spreadsheet so that your summary starts fast, you just select the sheet that you want to move. Then you click on a left click, and then you hold and you move it to the side that you want it to go. The same to this. You can just select it, click and hold, then drag it to the section that you want it to go. So that is how you can rename and reorganize your spreadsheets in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you leave your comment, you like, and you share, and you subscribe to this channel so that I can prepare more tactic or tips on Excel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.